Hi guys, welcome to Aao Baatein Kare, Pooja here. Well, this is your tarot reading for 4th of November, which is new moon in Scorpio. So let's see what is installed for the collective. And new moon is the best time to manifest something new. It's a new start. So start thinking what you want in life and start manifesting about 3 to 4 days before the new moon and on the day of the new moon, and also you can continue for 2-3 days more. Okay, so this new moon is in Scorpio and I will be doing another reading for the full moon or the lunar eclipse, which will be in Taurus. Okay, so that will be a start of solar and lunar eclipses in Taurus and Scorpio. So things are going to shift. So let's see. We'll talk more about that on the 19th. So what is the reading for the collective? This is a reading for the collective of everyone. So it will not resonate with each and every one of you guys. So what resonates, take it. What doesn't, let it go. Oh my God. Okay. So endings are inevitable. So wherever we think of new beginnings, something old has to end. Maybe the old is painful, maybe the old is no longer needed. Just see how beautiful and how apt this card is. Be honest to yourself. This is your duty to be honest to your feelings, to your happiness, to things that trigger you, things that make you sad. First and foremost, to change anything, you have to identify these things. So it is very, very important to take time to identify and to make a list of what's happening, what we want in life, and which direction is life pushing us. What are the signs that universe wants us to see? So it is it's a stuck time, if things are not moving, so don't worry, they are always moving. It's just that we cannot see them. Okay, so let's see. There is some struggle, there is some fight. This can be fight in a physical way, like it can be an argument, or it can be fight between the old and the new. Okay, and this is the justice card. So you need to balance things in life. Maybe you are doing too much for everybody and you are not taking care of yourself. Maybe that is what has to be changed. Maybe that's why this card is there. You need to balance things and take care of yourself. Anything that is done in excess, the result is not good. Okay, and you need to take an approach of a hangman or a hangwoman. That is, think outside the box, go behind, think of that situation like a third party, like an outsider. Okay, it is very, very important. And all the hard work that you have put, maybe in a relationship, maybe in a job, it is done with lot of struggle. It is time to balance things up. You cannot get stuck in a horrible relationship just because you have invested lot of time. Just think of the years ahead. Okay, so, and you have the magic, you have the power, but the best way it is to use it in a way that it helps you. It doesn't troubles you. It doesn't put you down. If you can feel an ending, if you can feel you need to move on, you have to take that gut feeling, or you have to take charge of that situation. And as soon as you take charge of the situation or your life, things are going to shift, things are going to turn. Okay, so I'll pull out one more card. Let's see. So basically, it is time to get up for our needs. Joy and delight. Open your heart to joy. So it is time to thank the universe and to open our heart chakras. Start getting ready to receive things from the universe. Okay, so have a good day, guys, and manifest something new and beautiful on this new moon. And I'll be back with more videos. You can follow all the platforms of Aao Baatein Kare. There is a tap link below. And if you want a personal read, that too you can book through the tap link below. Okay, take care. Love you all. Bye bye.